If you are in network marketing and you're tired of messaging people, getting ignored, or chasing friends and family, stop doing that. There is a better way to recruit online, and in this video, I'll show you a simple system that beginners can use. Welcome to Network Marketing Systems with Ms. Prue. If you want to learn how to recruit online without chasing people, you are in the right place. On this channel, I share simple systems for lead generation, attraction marketing, and building a network marketing business using content and automation. Subscribe and let's build smarter together. Most people join network marketing feeling very excited. Then they are told, make a list, message everyone, post your products every day. And what happens? People ignore you, you feel awkward, you lose confidence, and you start thinking the business doesn't work. But usually, it's not the business, it's the method. Recruiting is not convincing people. Recruiting is attracting the right people. That changed everything for me. When I stopped chasing and started using a system, people began coming to me. Stop posting product. Start posting problems you solve. Instead of saying buy this supplement, talk about more energy, weight loss struggles, building own income online, how to get leads. People respond to problems they recognize. When someone is curious, don't explain everything in DMs. Send them a tool, a video, a form, a simple presentation. Let a system do the explanation for you. This removes the pressure. Most people follow up badly. They say, did you watch it? That feels pushy. Instead, ask, what stood out to you? What questions came up? That creates conversation. Here is what I would stop doing immediately. Stop begging people to join. Stop posting product photos all day. Stop sending long opportunity messages. Stop explaining too much. Simple systems duplicate. Complicated people don't. This is how network marketing is changing. People aren't building only with meeting anymore. They are building with content, systems, automations, and if you learn the skill, you can use it in any business. If you want to see the simple recruiting system I use online, I have linked a training below. Watch that first. It explains the process far better than I can in one video. And if it makes sense for you, take the next step. If this video gave you value, subscribe for more training on recruiting online using simple systems. I've put a free training for a link below that shows you the process I use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.